What is going on, guys? Fear Fishy here. We're gonna do a little bit of walleye fishing today. Got some not so good weather coming in right now, but we'll work around that maybe, and hopefully we'll hook into a walleye maybe even two. We're gonna set up some tip-ups with some hot dogs on it, so hopefully we'll get a big old girl on that maybe. So stay tuned. We're out here again. Let's get our tip up set up. Hey, there we go. That's a grubby perch right there. Wow, he nailed that. All three hooks. Well, I guess all two. See how he's hooked? Absolutely crazy. Oh man, I'm sorry, little buddy. Trying to make this easy for you. Looks like walleye. First walleye on the ice. Oh, there's that walleye, baby. There's that walleye, baby. Here we go. This guy's got to be leaking. Stay still, little guy. Oh, he's not. Still a good fish though. As always, guys, thanks for coming by. Thanks for watching. Thanks for liking. And always hit that subscribe button. Hit that subscribe button. I appreciate it. See you guys.